Welcome to day 49 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. When your values are clear, making decision becomes easier. A wise man makes his own decision. An ignorant man follows public opinion. Robert Frost wrote, "Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one that is less traveled by, and that has made all the difference." Decision making is not as simple as let's take this path and see what it happens, especially when you're taking decision that is related to your business. Whether you're managing a small team or a head of a larger organization, your success and the success of your company is dependent on the decision you make. You can succeed through right decision and learn from wrong decisions. Today we will learn about the steps on decision making. Number 1, identify the decision. You need to identify the problem which you need to solve and then make a decision accordingly. If you misidentify a problem or the problem is too broad, then there are more chances for your decision to be off track. If you want to achieve a specific goal through your decision, make it measurable and timely. Number 2, gather relevant information. Once you have identified the decision, gather relevant information. Seek information from external resources, studies, market research, and paid consultants as well. Number 3, identify the alternatives. With relevant information, find out the best possible solution to resolve your problem. There are several ways to achieve a goal. For example, if you want to grow your social media marketing, there are organic ways of growing your business as well as paid social media advertisement gets you the result. Number 4, weigh the evidence. Once you have identified the alternative, weigh the evidence. Take a look at past history to know the ups and downs and choose your alternative based on the weightage of evidence. Number 5, take action. Once you have decided, act on it. Assign the task and review your decision. Is the problem solved? Did I meet my goals? These answers will be the checkpoint to validate your decision. Follow this process. Don't make hasty decisions. Decisions that are made quickly were regretted quickly. Follow me for the next days. Learn to lead in 100 days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ayankutti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.